Welcome to the D.TO tutorial series. In today's episode, we'll get familiar with the company library interface and walk through each aspect step by step to understand how it works. Let's dive right in. Once you're logged into the D.TO platform, you'll land on a window where all your teams are listed. To access your company library, navigate to the left side panel and click on the Detail Library button. This will take you directly to your company's library on the platform. You'll see several tabs here. We'll go through each one step by step and explain what it's used for. Let's understand the Reference Detail tab first. The Reference Detail tab serves as the central hub for managing your company's details. This is where you can upload new details, review submissions, and collaborate with your team. It contains 3 sub-tabs. The first is the In Review tab, where you can review submissions from other team members and collaborate on feedback. Team members can submit their details here for review, and you can suggest revisions as needed. We'll dive deeper into this process in the next video. The next tab is the Draft tab. This is where you can conduct final reviews before publishing details to the library. You'll be able to view and assign classifications, update project information as needed, and publish the details when they're ready and meet your team's requirements. The final tab is the Published tab. This is where all the approved and published details are stored on the platform. It's accessible to all team members, allowing them to view and import these details into their projects as needed. We will dive into detailed workflow in the next video, where we will use these tabs to manage details. The next tab on the platform is the Reference Detail Upload tab. This tab allows you to upload multiple details to the library at once. It enables you to extract several details from your container file and efficiently upload them to the platform. The next 2 tabs are Detail Item and Detail Item Upload. These tabs make up the part of the library where you can upload detail components and families for use in future projects. We'll dive deeper into how these tabs work and how they integrate into your workflow in the Company Detail Components video of this tutorial series. Be sure to watch that video to learn more. Now let's take a look at the Typical Details tab. This is where you upload your company's standard resources that are commonly used across all projects. These may include standard mounting height diagrams, drawing templates, architectural symbols, and any other assets your firm consistently relies on. This tab helps centralize and streamline the use of these recurring resources, ensuring consistency across your team's documentation. Finally, let's take a look at the Classification List tab. This is one of the most important tabs, as it allows you to connect your uploaded details to the logical delivery pipeline offered by the platform. By setting up classifications here, your company details become accessible directly within the design sessions, enhancing the integration between your library and project workflows. We'll explore classifications and how to work with them in more depth in the next video, where we focus on the detail library aspect of the company library. The platform offers different levels of functionality based on user roles. Let's dive in and explore these roles to understand how they impact access and capabilities across the platform. The first role is the owner. The owner has the most functionality on the platform. They can manage billing and subscriptions, assign roles to team members, contribute to the library, review and publish assets, and create and add classifications to details. The subsequent roles as we move through from admin to content manager and finally member offer progressively fewer permissions. This structure helps maintain compartmentalization and minimizes the risk of errors during the upload and review process. As I mentioned earlier, the functionality for different roles is different. The user interface for both is also different. Let's understand that. Here I have 2 screens showing the user interface for different roles. The screen on the left displays the user interface for the owner, admin, and content manager roles. The screen on the right shows the user interface for the member role. As you can see, the member role does not have access to the Reference Detail Upload tab, the Detail Item Upload tab, and the Draft sub-tab. When we look at the Classification List tab, we can see that only senior roles such as owners, admins, and content managers have the ability to create new classifications to be applied to details. Members, on the other hand, can only view the existing classifications and assign them to the details they upload. We'll dive deeper into the uploading process and how different roles contribute in the next video. Be sure to follow the tutorial series to learn more. Thanks for watching.